Recovery efforts continue in Mississippi today after tornadoes ripped through the South over the weekend. Officials report at least 26 people died, dozens more hurt. More than a half dozen shelters for storm victims are now open. President Joe Biden approved a disaster declaration authorizing federal funding for storm recovery. And as cleanup efforts are underway in some of those states, people from here in North Carolina are joining in to do their part. The American Red Cross says 7 people from here in eastern North Carolina are traveling today to some of the impacted areas. More could join them soon.
It's immediate assistance. We will also be surveying. We think there's over 2,000 structures that have been damaged. So once we realize that it's safe on the ground for our volunteers and staff to go out to do assessment, we will be doing that as well. But most importantly, we're there to provide shelter, food, and the spiritual and mental care, because there's a lot going on right now, and we want to make sure that people know that we're there for them.
And if you're interested in helping at home, you can reach out to the American Red Cross to donate or sign up as a volunteer.